beautiful nightingale, singing songs beyond infinity. From morning till evening, you touch souls with harmony. In the hand of the Almighty, a very special tool. I can see His everlasting glory in you. You're a shining jewel.
Just began to sing. We enjoy hearing you sing. Now you have to spread your wings.
Like the Chinese nightingale, your melodies bring laughter. As a wonderful fairy tale, but no happily ever after. Oil and dirt spread over wings, making her lose her feathers. Courageously she struggles to sing, no matter what the weather.
Precious young nightingale, beautiful nightingale, just began to fly. We enjoy seeing you fly. Fly away, disappear behind the sky.
As we here are left with one big why why you have to. We'll cry, but God will dry our eyes with love and inner tissues. Would it rain in heaven today? Would it rain in heaven today? Would it rain in heaven today? Now that you're not here to stay, you fly away, you fly away. Still in the wind, I can still hear her sing softly in heaven.
Precious young nightingale, beautiful nightingale, enjoy hearing you sing. Enjoy seeing you fly. Rest in the nest of the Father.